video, the channel trailer. More specifically, the YouTube channel trailer. Hello, my name's Des, and in this video, we're going to look at the importance of creating a YouTube channel trailer. Channel trailers are normally short and straight to the point. They are a good introduction for new visitors. This is where you let your audience know who you are, what your business and channel are about, and what kind of content to expect to see in the future. If you've already created one, great. If you haven't, this is a good time to start. Before we get started, if you've stumbled across this channel and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and for some extra appreciation, hit the bell icon and you'll get notified when I release new videos. I release videos like this one weekly to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals and creators just like yourself get online with video. But let's get started. You can have your channel trailer show up for unsubscribed visitors. Remember that movie trailer that you watched? It was a preview of what's to come. Just like your channel trailer. Your trailer will help viewers that are unsubscribed make a decision whether or not to subscribe to your channel or not. If the viewer is already subscribed, they will get what to watch next instead of your channel trailer. Okay, let me jump on the computer and show you how to add the channel trailer. Before you add your channel trailer, make sure you turn on channel customization. You can do this by going to your home page. Let me show you. Click on your icon or picture. Click on the blue customization channel button. If you don't see this, it may be you have an older version of YouTube. To update to the latest version, see the link in the description. It's the first link. Once you've clicked the blue customization button, then click on the gear cog icon here. Toggle on customize the layout of your channel button here. Now you should be all set to add your channel trailer. To add your channel trailer is simple. Just follow these steps. Upload the video you want to be your channel trailer. Go to the channel you want to manage. Click on the home tab. Click for new visitors tab. Click edit, it's the pencil icon here. Then click select change trailer or remove trailer here. Here's some quick tips. Keep your channel trailer short. How long should it be? It could be 30, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, but keep it short. Keep it to the point. Make sure you hook the viewer in the first few seconds. Show, don't tell. Show them how you do things instead of just telling them. Make sure you ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I can deliver more videos just like this one to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals and creators just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching. To channel trailer. And for some extra appreciation, make sure you hook the viewer just like this one to help entrepreneurs, individuals. No, I say it differently. All right, 1 minute. Entrepreneurs first. Entrepreneurs.